Say hi. I'm just hanging out with my babies now. Trying to get in a good mood. Had a rough day yesterday and night. Today I'm just chilling out here with my kids. Are you powering Mama? Say hi, Blue. Hi, girl. And up on the back of my chair. Mango. Are you up there? Mango. Hi, buddy. Are you there? There he is. Hi, buddy. I love you. Good boy. He's hanging up there. Hi, beautiful girl. Oh, Kiwi, you're such a good girl. I love you. I love you. Say hi. Hi. Mommy, high five. Good girl. Other one. Oh, thank you. Good girl. I know. That's the weirdest kisses, I'm telling you. I love you. Bye-bye.